NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 is 2x faster than 4080 at $999. RTX 5070 Ti 2x faster than 4070 Ti at $769. RTX 5070 faster than 4090 for $549. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5080, 5070 Ti and RTX 5070 GPUs are now official, offering massive leaps over their predecessors at stunning price points. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 and RTX 5070 Ti are 2x faster than their predecessors for lower prices. RTX 5070 outperforms 4090 for just $549 in addition to the flagship GeForce RTX 5090 and the launch of the new DLSS 4 technology. NVIDIA is also unleashing the rest of its GPU lineup including the RTX 5080, RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070. These GPUs push the performance parameters to a whole new level, with 2x the uplift over the last gen parts and also offering better value than before. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB graphics card. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card will be based on the PG144/147 SK45 PCB and will incorporate the GB203-400A1 GPU die. This card will utilize the full GB203 GPU die with 84 SIMs and 10,752 cores, but that's a 51% reduction compared to the RTX 5090. For comparison, the RTX 4090 and RTX 4080 had a -40% difference in the number of cores, so the overall performance will vary by a huge margin. Other than that, the RTX 5080 is also going to feature half the RAM configuration with a 16GB capacity running across a 256-bit bus interface while utilizing GDDR7 modules. The graphics card will feature the fastest GDDR7 memory on the market, offering up to 30 Gbps speeds for 960 GB per second of total bandwidth. The graphics card will feature 360 watts TBP. This will be a 12.5% increase in the power wall versus the 320 watts of the RTX 4080 Super, but once again, the real-world figures should be very different. In terms of performance, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 is expected to end up 2x faster than the RTX 4080 Super while leveraging the advanced DLSS 4 capabilities for $999 US. A price which is better than the original RTX 4080, $1,199 US. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB graphics card. The NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti will feature a cut-down GB203 GPU with 8,960 CUDA cores. The memory side will feature the same 16GB RAM as the RTX 4070 Ti Super but upgraded with brand new GDDR7 memory chips, offering a bandwidth boost of 78% over the 4070 Ti to 896 GB per second. As per the specs page, the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti will operate at a boost clock of 2.45 GHz. In terms of performance, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti will offer 2x the uplift over the RTX 4070 Ti while being priced at $749 US, which is better than the 4070 Ti and 4070 Ti Super given its improvements and support for DLSS 4 capabilities. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB graphics card. Moving over to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. This graphics card will come with a GB205 GPU on the PG147 reference PCB. The GPU side will feature up to 6,144 CUDA cores and the memory side will feature a 192-bit bus interface with 12 GB of memory, similar to the existing 12 GB RTX 4070, 192-bit. The card will feature 28 Gbps memory speeds for up to 672 GB per second of total bandwidth. This will be a 33% increase in bandwidth versus the RTX 4070 and RTX 4070 Super GPUs. This specific variant will feature a 250 watts TBP, marking a plus 14% increase over the RTX 4070 Super, 220 watts. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 is said to be faster than the RTX 4090 at a price of just $549 US. That should make the card a potent offering in the high-end segment that is closer to the $500 US mark and poses a big threat to AMD's recently announced RTX 9070 series graphics cards. Both the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and RTX 5070 are being listed as powerful 1440p cards, while the 5080 goes the 4K gaming route. Just for reference, we do know what each max configuration of the Blackwell RTX 50 inches GPUs will have to offer, and the GB205 maxes out with 5 GPCs or 50 SMs and a total of 6400 CUDA cores. It can be seen how the RTX 50 SKUs are arranged in the list below: GB202, full, and GT, 192 SMs, 24,576 cores, 100%, RTX 5090 and GT, 170 SMs, 21,760 cores, 88.5%. GB203, full, and GT, 84 SMs, 10,752 cores, 100%, RTX 5080 and GT, 84 SMs, 10,752 cores, 100%. GB205, full, and GT, 50 SMs, 6,400 cores, 100%, RTX 5070 and GT, TBD SMs, TBD cores, TBD%. We have additionally learned that NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 50 GPUs will be making changes to the PCB backdrilling process to improve the signal integrity between the GPU and the GDDR7 RAM. Additionally, the lineup was previously suggested to feature a 14-layer PCB, and all cards should retain the single 12V-2x6 power connector interface, with only a few top-tier RTX 5090 or RTX 5080 models going with the dual 16-pin connector route. Other than that, the cards should be fully PCIe 5.0 compliant and support DP2.1a with full 80 Gbps bandwidth support. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 will be available on the 30th of January, while the RTX 5070 Ti and the RTX 5070 will be launching in February. All cards will be available in custom variants and the very liked Founders Edition models. NVIDIA RTX 50 Founders Edition models.